The photography and video industry is buzzing once again, and for good reason. Massive leaks surrounding Sony's upcoming full-frame beast, the Sony A7V, have hit the web, revealing staggering specs like a 44MP sensor, 4K at 120 frames per second, and next-gen AI-driven autofocus. If you're even remotely interested in mirrorless cameras, buckle up, because what's coming in 2025 might completely change the game. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll go deep into everything we know so far about the Sony A7V, including leaks, rumored specs, new features, performance expectations, comparisons to the A7 IV and A7RV, and whether this is the full-frame hybrid camera professionals have been waiting for. Rumors surrounding the Sony A7V started in late 2024, but 2025 brought with it a massive info drop. According to industry insiders and leaked testing documents, the A7V will feature a brand new 44MP BSI CMOS sensor. It will record 4K video at up to 120 frames per second with full sensor readout. Sony's new Bion's XR2 processor will power it, offering next-level speed and thermal efficiency. A fully articulating screen, dual CF Express Type A plus SD UHS-2 slots, and AI-enhanced subject detection are all but confirmed. This positions the A7V as Sony's hybrid flagship, ideal for both photo and video professionals who need uncompromising performance. The heart of the Sony A7V is a 44-megapixel full-frame sensor, a sweet spot between the A7iV's 33MP and the A7RV's 61MP. This new sensor is said to use stacked BSI, backside illuminated, technology, enabling faster readout speeds with minimal rolling shutter, improved low-light sensitivity and reduced noise, 14+ stops of dynamic range, ideal for both photography and cinematic video. For hybrid shooters, this means you won't have to compromise between resolution, speed, or dynamic range. You get it all. Here's where things get jaw-dropping. The A7V reportedly supports 4K at 120 frames per second with 10-bit 4:2:2 color, with no crop. This is game-changing for creators who shoot slow motion for cinematic projects, need maximum detail with rich color profiles, S-Log3, HLG, or the rumored S-Cinetone 2. Want the flexibility of internal RAW video recording, also rumored via firmware update. It's a direct shot at Panasonic's S5 IIX, Canon's R5, and even Sony's own FX3, but with more resolution, better autofocus, and a lighter form factor. Sony's Bion's XR2 isn't just about speed, it's about intelligence. This new processor brings AI-assisted real-time tracking with machine learning enhancements, face, eye, animal, bird, car, and even insect detection with greater accuracy. Faster burst shooting, potentially up to 20 frames per second in full-resolution RAW. Improved heat management, allowing longer recording times without thermal shutdown. You're looking at a camera that's smarter and faster than anything else in Sony's mirrorless lineup. According to leaked CAD drawings and insider reports, the Sony A7V will feature a redesigned grip for more comfort during extended shoots. A 3.2-inch fully articulating